Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll guide you through every fascinating step of how high-tech cameras are made, from precision optics to intelligent electronics. Over here, next to the stack. Easy on the glass, watch the clearance. Good, now the blocks and wafers. Perfect, stack's complete. Let's confirm these specs against the batch tags. Okay, the tensile strength data matches.
Good. Note the inspector initials on this tag.
Done, status is pass. Special coatings for lenses are mixed in automated chemical systems with precise measurements. This process creates anti-reflective coatings, which reduce glare and improve visual clarity on optical surfaces. Watch the pressure spike.
Compensating now.
Flow rate is stable. Good. Monitor the thickness.
It's holding at 50.
Confirmed. All optimal. Extreme precision ensures image clarity. Every component must meet strict tolerances. The results show we're at 98.1% reliability. That's an improvement, but the cycle time is up.
Right. The failure rate dropped to 1.9%.
Good.
Let's optimize the cycle time next.
Performance is validated in real conditions. Initiating low light and color accuracy test. Lux levels are at 0.05, well within target. Color variance is under 2%. Test complete. Starting the inventory check. First box scanned, moving on. All items accounted for. And that's how high-tech cameras are made, blending optics, electronics, and innovation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.